taga-Australia kunuhay, pero bisda kaya gihapon! So, karong adlaw today, guys, we're gonna make some... Yeah, because I have two special guests for today. Hi, Steven. Say hi.
Hi.
And it's Briana. So today, we decided to make a homemade cookie, and it's gluten-free. So we have already all the ingredients here. All we need to do is mix all together, and yeah. So first, we're gonna have this almond. We're using almond meal, or kind of almond flour. So before that one, here you go. You can open this one, Steve.
Mommy, but I want to open it.
You already opened it. This one. Oh, here's for you. So before that one, I'm gonna preheat my oven for 180 degrees Celsius. There you go. So we need to mix all the dry ingredients first. So we need some, we have all the measurements here.
Guys, I'm using this because of my hand in my handbook.
Yes, so we got 2. And then you're gonna put the sugar stick.
No, me.
You're gonna put the sugar? Oi! You don't want to get joined anymore? Huh?
Okay.
Come here.
I
Hi.
want to put this
Come here.
sugar.
Oh, you put this one. I'm gonna put you the egg. Get the egg. So guys, what do you want to put? The dry ingredients at one. Yeah, no, you just leave because you already put the butter, the almond, remember? Don't put just half. Or you just mix, you're the one to mix it. So we have crunch peanut. He's a little bit angry because he wants to put the almond. It's alright. You put the sugar. Put the sugar and the salt. And Steven will gonna put the egg, or you want the butter? Put the egg. Yeah, put it here, Steven. Here, oh. And we're gonna put the butter. I think it's, we put this 1/2 cup of butter. There you go. And you're gonna put the chips, Steven.
Don't pull my chest.
There you go. So I forgot to get the baking.
Look at this.
Baking powder. Here you go, Briana. You put the baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. There you go. Yeah, just put just half stick. Put the baking powder. And we just mix it all together. So we just prepare this one here. This is to put our cookie.
But now you need to make it dirty.
Yeah. And then we're just gonna get some baking paper. Sorry. You wanna help to stay? To mix? Mix, mix, mix. So it's pretty easy, guys.
Mom,
So, ayan. What's wrong?
Mom, it's turning.
Wow, it's turning good. Just mix all together.
When we play the oven.
Hmm? Yeah.
I love it.
So the kids, I think we need more. What's this thing? Put more chocolate.
Okay.
We don't have to like Briana did.
Mommy,
Yeah.
do it.
Okay, too much.
There you
We
go.
don't need too much.
So I let the kids to mix it together because they want to. This is the requested. They really want to bake some cookie. Is that mix all together? Let me see.
I love the chocolate chip.
Thank you.
Yeah. And now we're just gonna put this one away because we're gonna put the cookie here. So we just mix. We mix it properly. There you go.
I want the chocolate chippy cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like them.
Because everyone wants the chocolate chips. Natin, cooking show natin kasi may... So guys, if you can say, naka-ano kami, naka-jacket kami because it's getting cold. It's getting cold here.
Getting cold, it's already got cold.
Yeah, it's really getting cold.
I woke up because it was cold.
Maliit kasi ng kitchen namin, guys, kaya we're a little bit crowded here. But yeah, it's alright. As long as the kids will enjoy it and we're gonna...
Wow.
Oh! What happened here, Bob?
Too much.
Little, I'm gonna use my hand. You need to wash my hand first.
Me too. I'm gonna do it. I need soap.
Oh, here, oh! Sorry. So I'm just gonna use my hand so that it will put this properly. You wash your hand first.
I already moved.
Para maano talaga siya. Ayan. And come on. Here. Wipe your hand first. So, ayan. Aray. What? That first. Ayan, there na. There you go. Come on, Briana. I'm just gonna put it here. So we're just gonna use our hand, guys, so that it will be look good.
Look at mine.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, like that. Just press. Kasi hindi siya maano eh kung hindi siya i-roll ng hand. So, ayan. Perfect yours, Dave. You need more? Okay. Here you go. And this is for Steven. Steven made it. And this is Briana. You need to roll it first, Bob. You look like... This one is only for eating, guys. Cause look at Briana, oh. Football na rin sa ship, eh. Gipangkaon na.
She's eating it while making it, Brianna.
Yeah, don't eat it, Briana. What?
Okay, she put it some back out.
Okay. So you're just gonna do like this. Like this.
Wash your hands, Brianna. We don't want it dirty.
So guys, ayan na guys. Natapos na namin. We're all done to put it mold. And now we're we're going to put in the oven for around 12 to 15 minutes. So yeah.
They look different because
So yan guys, all cooked now. So the kids are really excited to taste. It's a little bit hot. We let it cool down a little bit and we'll be right back. It's cooled down now and Steven wanna try. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy. Well done. What is it? It tastes yummy?
No, I don't like peanuts.
You don't like the peanuts?
Yeah.
That's alright. That's it for now, guys. Hope you like our video for today and see you on my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Babush! Salamat ka!